Hello guys, welcome to my new video, and in this video, as you see in the title, I'm going to replace the battery for Honda car keys. So I'm just starting my new Honda City car. You can see in the dashboard about the low battery warning of the car key. So you can see in the display key battery warning. You can also hear that secondary beep sound. That means there is a severe warning alert for the replacement of the car key battery. And now I'm going to show you how I'm replacing the car key battery. It is very simple process. You can see in the video and you can follow these steps exactly what I am doing. You don't need any special accessory for opening that plastic key. You can use your own car key by inserting that key into that two extrusion which is present there, and then just give a small twist, so the key will just pop out. I purchased the same specification of battery for rupees 100. So that's it, the new battery has been installed. Just close the cover of the key. Now I am again switching on the car. So now you will not see that warning symbol blinking over the dashboard. And very much thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and it is helpful for you, just hit the like button.